In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off the messaging function in your account. Depending on when your account was created, you may not have the ability to completely remove this channel. First, open the products icon and navigate to Admin Center. Select Channels. Under Messaging and Social, click Messaging. Next, click Manage Settings. Locate the section Turn on Messaging for these Web Widget classic brands and remove the appropriate brand. Click Save Settings. You can also deselect the checkbox next to Turn on Messaging for your account to remove messaging for all brands. Uncheck the checkbox to remove messaging for all brands. Confirm this change by clicking Turn off Messaging. If you do not have this option and still want to turn off messaging, reach out to our support team for more information. Once you have turned off the messaging option, make sure to remove the widget code from any website or mobile app where you have added it. Thanks for watching.